Hello students, I welcome to you all our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus, would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. In my previous class, we have discussed about theorems of transversals. Today we solve some problems. What is the summary of the theorems of transversal? The summary of the theorems of the transversal. What is transversal? When a line intersects two lines at two different points, this is the line is called transversal. Here L and M are two parallel lines and T is the transversals. When a transversal intersect parallel lines, then first statement, the measure of each pair of corresponding angles are equal. When a transversal intersect two parallel lines, it forms 8 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the first condition says the measure of each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Each pair of corresponding angles are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1 and 5 are corresponding pairs, 2 and 8 are corresponding pairs, 3 and 7 are corresponding pairs, 4 and 6 are corresponding pairs. The measure of each corresponding pair is same. The measure of each corresponding pair are same. Each corresponding pair is same. Each pair is same, which means measure of angle 1 is equal to measure of angle 5. Then here 1 and 5 are corresponding pair, 2 and 8 are corresponding pair, 3 and 7 are corresponding pair, 4 and 6 are corresponding pairs. The second theorem says the measure of each pair of alternate angles are same. The measure of each pair of alternate angles. Corresponding pair angles are present at the same side of the transversal, while the alternate pair of angles are present opposite sides of the transversal. Here 2 and 6 are alternate pair, 3 and 5 are alternate interior angles. Then the second theorem says the measure of each pair of alternate angles are same, which means angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Measure of angle 2 is equal to measure of angle 6, and measure of angle 3 is equal to measure of angle 5. Okay. Then the third theorem says the pair of co-interior angles are supplementary to each other. The measure of the pair of co-interior angles are supplementary to each other. This means angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree as they are supplementary to each other. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree as they are supplementary to each other. These are the three summaries of the theorems which we have discussed in my last class. Here we solve some problems based on these theorems. Here the first question says, example 1 says, M and N are two parallel lines. L is the transversal. M and N are two parallel lines. L is the transversals. When the transversal L intersects M and N, it forms 8 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are 8 angles are formed and the condition is given. Angle 1 is given 60 angle 1 is given 115 degree. 115 degree. Then we have to find out the measure of angle 5, angle 8, angle 4. Here the measure of angle 5 is given 115 degree. We have to find out the measure of angle 5, angle 8 and angle 4. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding pairs. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding pairs. According to the theorem, their measure are same. The corresponding pair of angle have same measure. Are corresponding pair. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding pair. According to theorem 1, angle 1 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 115 degree. As the theorem 1 says, the measure of corresponding pair are equal. Then angle 8. Angle 8 is equal to 180 minus angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 115 is equal to 65 degree. Why? Because angle 8 and angle 5 are linear pair. Angle 8 and angle 5 are linear pair. As they are linear pair, sum of their angles is 180 degree. As the angle 5 is 115, then angle 8 is equal to 180 minus 115, which is equal to 65 degree. Then angle 4. Angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 115, which equal to 65 degree. As angle 1 and angle 4 are linear pair. Angle 1 and angle 4 are linear pair. When you solve the problems, always write the conditions. Why? Angle 4 is equal to 65 degree. Why we do 180 minus 115? Because 1 and 4 are linear pair. As they are linear pair, sum of their angles are 180 degree. One of them, angle 1 is given 115. Hence, angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 115, which equal to 65 degree. Hence, okay. Then solve another example. Here another examples. I have already told you students, do more and more practice of problems. Then can you solve any problems which will be asked in your exam paper. Solve variety of questions. Here A, B is a line segment and C, D is another line segment. A, B, C, D is a line segment and P, Q is the transversal. And PQ is the transversal which intersects B, A, B and C, D at two different points. Then here the angle and two different points named O, M. Here the angle, here the PQ is the transversal which intersect AB and CD at two different points, at the point O and the point M. And the angles are formed. AOP is measure 50 degree. Here the angle measure angle AOP is 50 degree. Then we have to find out the measure of angle X and angle Y and angle Z. We have to find out the measure of angle X, angle Y and angle Z. Okay. Here the AOP is 50 degree. We have to find out the measure of angle X, angle Y and angle Z. Here the angle X is equal to 180 minus 50 because linear pair, because angle AOP and X are linear pair, as linear pair, which is equal to 130 degree. then angle y is equal to angle x is equal to 130 degree, because they are alternate pairs. As I have already told you, when a transversal intersect a parallel line, two parallel lines, then the measure of alternate pair are always same. Here x and y are two alternate angles, are the pair of alternate angles. Alternate angles are formed opposite sides of the transversals. Alternate angles are formed opposite sides of the transversals. Then y equal to x equal to 130 degree. Then angle z is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree, which equal to 50 degree. As x and y, since x and y are linear, y and z are linear pair. As we know that sum of two in a linear pair, sum of the angles are 180 degree. As y equal to 130 degree, z equal to 180 minus 30 is equal to 50 degree. Y equal to x equal to 130 degree, because they are alternate pair. Always write the conditions why alternate pair. Why y equal to x, because y and x are alternate pairs. Okay, hence solve another problems. L, M, N are three parallel lines and T is the transversal, We have to find out the measure of angle x, angle y and angle z. We have to find out the measure of angle x, angle y and angle z. Here the conditions is given: L is parallel to M, M is parallel to N and L is, as L is parallel to M, M is parallel to N, which imply L is also parallel to N. Then the conditions is given: y is to z is equal to 3:7. Y is to z is equal to 3:7. Then find the value of x, y, z. Here y is to z is 3:7, means y upon z is equal to 3/7. Y equal to 3x, z equal to 7x. Let 3x and z equal to 7x. Here let the angle be P. Let the angle be P. Angle P and angle Z are alternate pairs. Angle P and angle Z are alternate pairs. Then angle Y and angle P are linear pair. Angle Y and angle P are linear pair. Then the angle P is equal to 7x, because angle P and angle Z are alternate pairs. As we know that the alternate pair have measure same, angle P is equal to angle Z, which then angle P is equal to angle Z, which equal to 7x. As y and P are linear pairs, then which imply angle Y plus angle P is equal to 180 degree, as they are linear pair. This shows that 3x plus 7x is equal to 180 degree, which imply 10x is equal to 180 degree, x equal to 18 degree. Then 3x is equal to angle Y is equal to 18 into 3, 54 degree. Then angle Z is equal to 7x is equal to 7 into 18, which equal to 18 into 7 is equal to 126 degree. This means angle Y is equal to 54 degree. Angle Z is equal to 126 degree. Then we have to find out angle x. Angle x and angle y are co-interior pair. Angle x and angle y are co-interior pairs. As we know that co-interior pairs are supplementary to each other. As we know that co-interior pairs are supplementary to each other, this means angle x plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. Here angle x plus, as they are supplementary to each other because they are co-interior pairs, hence angle x plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. As angle y is 54 degree, angle x is equal to 180 minus 54, which equal to 126 degree. By solving the problems, we come to the conclusion that these three conditions are given. L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N, which imply L is also parallel to N, and Y is to Z is equal to 3:7. This means y upon z is equal to 3 upon 7. Let y equal to 3x and z equal to 7x. By solving the whole problem, we come to the conclusion that angle x is equal to 126 degree, angle y is equal to 54 degree, and angle z is equal to 126 degree. Then we come to the conclusion that the measure of x, y, z is like this. Okay. Then solve another question. Here solve another question. Here the M and N are two parallel lines. M and N are two parallel lines. L is the transversal. L is the transversals. Four angles are formed. 1, 2, 3, 4 are 4 angles formed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. The M and N are two parallel lines. M and N are two parallel lines. L is the transversals. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are 8 angles are formed here. Then angle 1 is to the condition is given. Angle 1 is to angle 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. We have to find out all these angles. Then here the condition is given. M is parallel to N and L is the transversal. L is the transversal. Then angle 1 is to angle 2 is 3 upon 2. We have to find out 4 measure of angle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then here angle 1 upon angle 2 is equal to 3 upon 2. Let angle 1 is equal to 3k and angle 2 is equal to 2k. And angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair to each other, which means angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Since linear pair. Why? Since linear pair. Angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pairs. Hence their sum is 180 degree. This means 3k plus 2k is equal to 180 degree, which imply 5k is equal to 180 degree. 5k is equal to 180 degree. K equal to 180 upon 5, 36 degree. This means angle 1 is equal to 3k, which equal to 3 into 36, which equal to 108 degree. Angle 2 is equal to 2k, which is equal to 2 into 36, which equal to 72 degree. Here angle 1 is 108 degree, angle 2 is 72 degree. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 is equal to 108 degree because they are vertically opposite. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 is equal to 108 degree because vertically opposite. They are vertically opposite. You know what is vertically opposite? When two lines are intersects, this angle and this angle are vertically opposite to each other. This angle is vertically to opposite to each other. Measure of this angle is equal to this. Measure of this angle is equal to this. They are vertically opposite to each other. Vertically opposite. Then angle 4 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 72 degree because vertically opposite to each other. Vertically opposite. Same conditions. Then here angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6, which equal to 72 degree because they are corresponding pair. Angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding pair. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5 because they are alternate pair. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 108 degree because they are alternate pair. And angle 7 and angle 6 are linear pairs. When angle 6 is 72 degree, obviously angle 7 is 108 and angle 6 and angle 8 are vertically opposite. Hence their measure is same. Angle 6 is equal to angle 8 equal to 72 degree. Then measure of angle 6 is equal to measure of angle 8 is equal to 72 degree. Vertically opposite pair. And angle 5 and angle 7. Angle 5 is equal to angle 7 is equal to 108 degree. Vertically opposite because they are vertically opposite to each other. Hence by solving the problems we come to the conclusion that angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Angle 1 is 108 degree. Angle 2 is 72 degree. Angle 3 is 108 degree. Angle 4 is 72 degree. Angle 5 is 108 degree. Angle 6 is 72 degree. Angle 7 is 108 and angle 8 is 72 degree. Today this much. Now we have discussed some problems over transversal or parallel lines. Please note down. We will continue this in my next class.